Disclaimer. The information contained in this video is provided for entertainment and informational purposes only. It should not be construed as legal or accounting advice. Viewing this video does not create an attorney-client, accountant-client, or other confidential relationship. The laws are always changing. Therefore, this video may not contain the most up-to-date information. You should not act or rely on any of the information contained herein without seeking legal or other professional advice. Number 1. Go to the Hawaii Department of Commerce and Consumer Affairs website. Fill out and file the forms necessary to become a domestic limited liability company or a domestic profit corporation. Forming a domestic limited liability company is what I did. There are numerous requirements in order to qualify as an S corporation. If you are an individual, U.S. citizen, who owns 100% of the entity, you probably qualify. It is much easier and simpler if you are the 100% owner of the entity. If there are co-owners, it introduces complexity, and there are things that could cause a disqualification and/or revocation of the S corporation status. See an attorney or certified public accountant to avoid these problems. Number 2. After receiving the file stamped Articles of Organization, Limited Liability Company, or the Articles of Incorporation, Corporation, go to the Internal Revenue Service website. Apply for a Federal Employer Identification Number, FEN. You can send the paper form SS4 by U.S. mail or by fax, or apply online. Number 3. After receiving the Federal Employer Identification Number FEN from the Internal Revenue Service, go to the Hawaii Department of Taxation, either in person at their Punchbowl Street building or at their website. Apply for a Hawaii Tax Identification Number. You can register for various tax licenses and permits, including but not limited to Hawaii General Excise Tax and Hawaii Withholding Tax. You can send the paper form BB1 by U.S. mail or apply online. Number 4. After getting the Hawaii Tax Identification Number divided by Hawaii General Excise Tax License Number, go to a bank, for example, Bank of Hawaii, First Hawaiian Bank, Central Pacific Bank, etc., and open a checking account in the name of the entity. Bring the Federal Employer Identification Number and the General Excise Tax License Number. Run all income and expenses through this checking account to make it easy to keep records. Number 5. Within 2.5 months from the date of formation, fill out IRS Form 2553 and mail it certified mail return receipt requested to apply for S corporation status. Number 6. Using a third-party payroll company like ADP or an online website like QuickBooks Online Payroll or Gusto, the S corporation should start paying the employee, who is also the owner, reasonable compensation, an Internal Revenue Service phrase, W-2 salary wages for services rendered as an employee. The W-2 salary wage, as well as the Form 1120S net profit, will flow to the employee divided by owner's personal tax return. Number 7. Be sure to file and pay all the required forms and taxes, including, but not limited to, payroll tax forms, Form 941, Form 940, Hawaii UCB 6, W3, W2, Hawaii General Excise Tax Forms G45 and G49, Income Tax Returns Form 1122 and Hawaii Form N35, Form 1099 MISC and 1099 NEC. Consider going to the Hawaii Department of Taxation website and signing up for a Hawaii Tax Online account for your business. You can file and pay your Hawaii General Excise Tax Returns, G45 and G49, here. Check to see if you need to obtain temporary disability insurance for the S corporation's employees. Number 8. Be sure to follow all the legal formalities that are required by law. The S Corp is a separate entity, separate and apart from the owners and employees. It must keep its matters separate from the owners and employees. Some of the legal formalities include, but are not limited to, shareholder meetings, board of directors meetings, corporate resolutions, minutes of the meetings. Respecting the separateness and legal formalities may help to avoid piercing the corporate veil. Disclaimer. The information contained in this video is provided for entertainment and informational purposes only. It should not be construed as legal or accounting advice. Viewing this video does not create an attorney-client, accountant-client, or other confidential relationship. The laws are always changing. Therefore, this video may not contain the most up-to-date information. You should not act or rely on any of the information contained herein without seeking legal or other professional advice.